BA 375 Online Marketing, Chapter 17. So in Chapter 17, we're talking about using a CRM. We're going to continue our discussion about customer and the customer experience. So CRM is a customer management tool that looks at how we keep customers and how we manage our customers, how we store data and information about them. So one of the things we're going to talk about is retention of customers. It is cheaper to keep a current customer than it is to acquire a new one. This is why it's important to develop relationships with our customers so that they develop strong brand loyalty and keep coming back to us. So it's not just a system for storing information about customers. Retention is about changing the mind of customers who are trying to leave us. So our CRM, or a customer resource management, is a proactive strategy. And how do we serve our customers? And retention is a reactive strategy. How do we keep customers from leaving when they're upset? There are many benefits to using a CRM software system. So we're able to target more cost effectively because we have information on the types of clients who are coming to our website who are requesting information. We can create permission marketing. So asking our clients, do you want to receive these emails? Having subscribe and unsubscribe lists. We are able to customize our marketing messages to each different customer. Maybe we have a wide variety of customers and we only want to email a specific population, or we want to customize based on historic purchase. We have a wide range of products, and so the emails that we send them are customized based on the things they typically purchase and buy. It allows us to collect also data about our customers so that we have a better understanding of them. It's cheaper to maintain all of our customer data in the same system than it is to have multiple systems where we track information. It's a way to deliver loyalty programs, to store information about past purchases so that we can give them points or say that they're silver level or gold level. We can create gamification through different services and apps within our website also. So how do we get CRM success? Well, one is personalization, being able to personalize the customer experience by emailing them at specific times of day, by using their name, by talking about products they already like. So this involves also segmentation and profiling. It allows us to create content. We can create content from our CRM. Any CRM system that a person looks at buying should be able to schedule content delivery, should be able to schedule email deliveries, should have email templates, and should allow you to create this kind of stuff. You then get insight on the customer. Did they open your email? If they did open your email, did they go to your website? Did they purchase a product? How often did they purchase a product? How often did they visit your website? And then we also track information about customer service. Did they return something? Did they have a complaint? All of this information gets logged within our CRM system, and we know this information about our customer. The important principle is that customers should feel that they are getting value for the money they're giving us and that they have a positive relationship with our brand. So we have to think about a lot of things when we're thinking about how do we contact our customers. One is frequency. How often do you contact customers? This really depends on what you have to say to them and customer preferences. But should you email them every single day with the same exact message? Buy this, buy that, we're having a sale. Or do you only email them once a week? Or do you have a newsletter that they've signed up for that happens once a month? Or do you only have special occasion emails? So frequency is something that you have to figure out. Timeliness. When is the right time to get in front of the customer? Is it in the evening? Is it in the morning? Do you spam email all of your customers at 2 a.m.? Accuracy. Are you even emailing customers correctly? Do you have their names in the system correctly? Are you emailing Mr. to people who are not male? Relevancy. So how does our message resonate with them? Are you offering them value? Is there a coupon in it? Is there a sale? Is there content that is important to them? And then the channel. Is it suited to your client's preferences? Maybe they prefer to get text messages or app notifications over emails, or maybe emails are their preferred method of communication. Is there a way for your customer to self-select into different modes of communication? Okay. There are differences between business to business and business to consumer customer resource management or customer relationship management. So scale. Business to customer companies have larger and more complex systems to manage. They have a larger number of customers. Their touch points are often short, single touches, where business to business relationships develop over a longer period of time. The kind of interaction that we have, so business to business relationships are often one-on-one, whereas business to customer relationships are customers having a relationship with a brand rather than individuals within that brand. And what are the goals? So business to customer is all about closing a sale, whereas business to business can be about establishing relationships with suppliers. What's our contact strategy? So that's part of the frequency of contact. It is very difficult to get this right, and it's common that it's usually a mix of different contact strategies. So spam is unwanted emails. Even if a customer has signed up for them and they're not strictly spam, perception of spam is important. They might still go to their spam filter if you're emailing them every single day and they're only opening your emails once a week. So there are different types of campaigns. One is just a single campaign. We email out about a specific event or a single sale. We have a spike in sales at that time. There's no follow-up contact, no extra emails. Single campaigns lacked the halo effect that we can often get from advertising. They're not the most effective campaign type. Okay. Repeat campaigns can attract customers who might have missed it the first time, but they can annoy the customers who have already seen it and taken action. So a repeat campaign would be if we email you on Monday and say we're having a sale this week, and then email on Wednesday and say, hey, remember the sale ends on Friday, and then email again on Friday saying this is your last chance to take advantage of this sale before it goes away. That would be an example of a repeat campaign. However, the people that click and buy on Monday might be annoyed that they get the emails on Wednesday and Friday. So we really have to have an intimate understanding of our customers and their preferences. This is an example of a single campaign response curve where we see a huge spike in sales and then over time a strict drop in sales because the customer doesn't get any kind of follow-up or additional feedback from our company. Where this is an example of a repeat campaign response curve, where on the first day we might have a big spike, and then as we have repeat, we have less and less responders, but more and more of those customers who ignored it on the first day are hopping in to respond before the last day of the sale. This last is a contact strategy response curve, where we just maintain constant contact strategy and response with our customers. So send them an email. When they respond, we send a follow-up email. What are the types of messaging that we can send as part of this relationship building with our customers? So warm-up emails. An announcement is coming. We're going to have a sale starting on Tuesday. We're releasing a how-to guide. Here's a movie preview. Here's a teaser. Okay? A follow-up. Hey, we're so happy you visited our website. Did you find what you were looking for? Thank you for buying this. You might also like this to go with it. Surprise and delight emails. So surprise and delight emails are just a customer value email. They increase promotion and brand positivity, but they include no sales message. Hey, it's your birthday. Here's 20% off. A reward. So rewarding customers with discounts if they spend a certain amount, or rewarding them for having consistent loyalty. You might have, hey, you're a platinum purchaser on our website, and so now anytime you order from us, as long as you maintain that status, you're going to get free shipping. Okay, win back. So this is a customer who's ordered from you before, but it's been a while. So you might say, hey, it's been a while since you've ordered from us. Here's $10 to spend in our shop. We can also maximize revenue through cross-selling and upselling. So cross-selling is where we encourage customers to buy another product, such as a matching scarf when we buy a hat, or gloves when we buy a coat. Amazon is great at upselling and cross-selling because they have those recommendations built in. Other customers who looked at that product also bought these 3 products that we link here. You can add all 3 to your cart with the click of a button. Upselling is where you encourage customers to upgrade their products to the next level. So they've come in and they're purchasing the $5 model, and you want to encourage them to buy the $10 model instead. So you upsell them about the benefits of the extra cost product. Being able to understand customer behavior helps make our predictions for our CRM strategy. So how do we build in those predictive analytics into our website? So 2 different models that the book talks about are propensity model and collaborative filtering. So a propensity model predicts their future behavior based on known information, such as understanding why customers leave, help you put in place a strategy to prevent it from happening, or to know what gets customers to go from $125 in sales to $200 in sales, and building in that into your website. Maybe it's free shipping or an extra discount. And collaborative filtering is this recommendations, as I was talking about earlier with Amazon, where we recommend other products to customers based on their previous browsing or buying behavior. In fact, sometimes Amazon sends me emails and say, hey, you looked at this a week ago, you might enjoy these related things. So it's not just on their website, they'll also track that and send me personalized emails. What kind of a CRM platform should you use? Well, there are multiple types of CRM platforms across a wide range of costs. So one of the higher cost, highest functioning platforms is called Salesforce, which many people might have heard of that. Some cheaper ones are like Sugar CRM, which is a cheaper model, works a little bit better for smaller businesses. But we do need software. But when we're looking for what kind of software we want, we should really think about what it is that we want it to do. Does it allow us to manage email services and schedule email? Does it allow for social media posting? Does it allow for tracking about where our customers come from? Like, can we create unique URLs to track people from social media to our website? Can we automate? What kind of reporting is available? And then what kind of workflow management? How difficult is the system to learn? Is it easy technology to learn and utilize, or is there a high barrier to use where we have to send someone to a week-long training just to be able to use our systems? Okay. The textbook also talks about the ladder of loyalty and looking at how we develop brand loyalty with a customer. So we start at the bottom rung as a suspect. We have no relationship with the brand. The next rung on the ladder is prospect. We're showing some level of interest. We haven't made a purchase yet, but maybe we've been to your website 2 or 3 times. We've clicked through we've signed up for an email, discount code. And then third is that we've purchased a product. We've made a single purchase. Okay. Then we get to repeat purchases where we're gone past customer to a more loyal client. So we've got a deeper relationship. The company has a better understanding of what that customer is looking for. The customer has made multiple purchases. And then we get to advocate level, where we're at the highest loyalty level. We're going to start recommending the brand to others. We're going to share information with others. At this point, this is a good time to introduce a loyalty program or a rewards program that rewards customers for recommending people to your website or to your brand. Loyalty programs come in a multitude of things. We can do points, rewards. If you spend $200, then you get a discount. If you send customers to us and they make a purchase, we'll send you a discount. So what is the high value loyalty? So what are the high value things we might offer customers in order to buy their loyalty, basically? Or high perceived value loyalty. So low cost for the company, but makes customers think they're getting a higher value and therefore they'll spend more. Okay, so the customer must be offered some kind of value in order to sign up for a loyalty program, some kind of reward or discount or service that they get for that benefit. Okay, and that is chapter 17.